Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how to calculate a dipole antenna length. So here we have our dipole here. We've got the red part, which is the coaxial cable, and that is feeding each part of the dipole. One side here, which is a length of wire, and the other side here, which is another length of wire. And the total length makes up a half wavelength. So to work out this entire length, what that actually is, this is the formula that you'll need. So you can work it out in meters. You take 300, you divide it by the frequency in megahertz. So for this example, we're going to be making a 40 meter band dipole antenna. 300 divided by 7.2 megahertz, that equals 41.66 meters. That is one wavelength. Now we want half a wavelength. So we simply just divide it by 2 to get our half wavelength. And that means that our dipole is 20.83 meters long. So we'll just do 20 meters long here total, and about 10 meters roughly per side. Now, if you want to work it out in feet, you can work out a half wavelength directly by just doing 468 divided by frequency. So we've got 468 divided by 7.2 megahertz. That equals 65 feet. So our 65 feet length for our dipole on 40 meters, so about 30 feet per side. Now it is much easier to make your antenna just slightly longer than you calculated, because then you can trim it down if you need to tune it up. Now I'm going to give you a tip on how to actually work out exactly how much to trim off. So say we build our antenna and we check the SWR is the lowest at 6.5 megahertz, but we want it at 7.2 megahertz. So what do? Well, all we do is we just divide those two numbers. 6.5 divided by 7.2, which equals 0.903. Now you can do this for any antenna length. If you take the current resonant frequency, the lowest SWR frequency of the antenna, and you divide it by the frequency that you want, then you can get this scaling factor here. Then once we have our scaling factor, it's really easy. We measure the current length of our antenna. So say for 6.5 megahertz, we have an antenna length, total antenna length of 23.07 meters. We multiply that by our scaling factor, 0.903, and then that equals 20.83, which is the length of the antenna that we want it to be. So this way, you can just tweak your antenna to suit what you are actually building. Now in another video, I actually show you how to build some vertical half-wave antennas. They are very easy to build using just a single piece of coax. They'll appear here on the screen and you can build these for yourself.